Alright guys, I just got cleaned my car. You can see my reflection. Good old paint. And this car's a 2013, so original paint. Nothing has been added. Don't mind the sunroof, it's a little broke. See, all shiny. See the paint. On the top you can see the reflections. Don't mind that, that's the rags I used to clean. Some chips on the paint, but like again, it's a 2013. It's been through some years. Should look just like new. And this is not a paid sponsor, but y'all need to try Chemical Guys. I got the Sweet Wipe waterless car wash. It's pretty good. I still got a few left. You can get this at Walmart.